Okay, good evening, my dear, my sister, my brother. Today I'll invite you to learn how to say go in Arabic word. By the way, my dear, my sister, my brother, if you wanna say go in Arabic word, you can say yatsab. Yatsab mean go. Then I'll give you some example. Aina yatsabu. Aina yatsabu mean where is he going? Yatsabu ilal madrasah. He is going to madrasah. Aina tatsabu. Where is he going? Tathabu ilal hurfata. She is going to room like that. So I think you know how now you already know how to say go in Arabic word. Yatsabu we use for like male and tatsabu you use for female. Yatsabu mean he goes or he is going like that, but tatsabu means she goes or she is going like that. I think that is enough for today. Thanks for watching my video. See you for the next lesson.